Matt.
Yep.
I have a lot of homeowners after a big storm. They don't have any cash on hand. What can we do about financing?
We got 0% financing, a lot of different plans, but you can get payments cheap. I mean, we're looking at, say, a $13,000 roof. You're looking at $120, $130 a month payment. So It's reasonable for anybody.
Well, some of them have just big deductibles, and then some of them, they need more than just a deductible. They need a whole roof. Can we cover anything between the deductible
We can cover
and the full roof?
We can cover anything. We can cover deductibles. We can finance their deductibles. We can finance full roofs. We can finance repairs. You don't have to come out of pocket for anything.
What kind of credit scores do they have to have?
You're going to get a different rate with different credit scores, obviously. But we can finance anything in the low, anything with a low credit score, mid, high.
Do we have any short-term financing, maybe?
We got short-term financing. We got plans for 12 months, 24 months, all the way up to 120 months. So we can stretch it out as long as you want to make it affordable. Whatever
That's very
works.
good. That's good to know.
Another thing is on insurance. Dave, on the insurance claim, what is it that a lot of companies are missing out on? A lot of homeowners are missing out on, and companies, we do commercial and residential, on insurance claims on the back end.
Well, there's a lot of money that we can get as professional roofers or on the insurance that you don't realize is not there. They leave off of some code item upgrades, things like if you have slats in the older house or some flashing or some drip edge, just a lot of items that are on there. And sometimes those estimates can be very hard to read.
Yeah.
And we know exactly what they say and what we can do to make sure to get the most out of the policies for the homeowners.
Yeah. I know I've seen here recently, not a specific insurance company, but they write the shortest estimate they can, and we get it. And then we go look at the house. We pull measurements before we do anything. And they're missing, 5, 10, 15 square, that what true measurements are of the house compared to what they're writing for. They're missing different cornice returns and all kind of stuff. But we're here to get all that stuff at the end. We'll supplement the insurance company. We'll get what you're owed.
We pull complete measurements of every house and every building on the property. It tells us exactly the pitch of the roof, the complete measurements of it, so there's not anything left out. So we make sure we maximize the claim every time.
Yeah, we'll get you what you're owed. You pay
Absolutely.
Insurance for years and years and years. And
also, the day of the project, we have a project manager. He's out there all day long taking hundreds of pictures of the whole project, being from taking the roof completely off to the complete installation, to make sure that nothing's missed.
Yeah.
We catch everything.
Takes tons of photos.
Yes.
From start to finish.
And then the supplement team can use those photos to maximize the claim.
Plus, we send the homeowner. At the end of the day, we may have 200 photos on a file for that one property, and there's no surprises. We send the homeowner at the end of the day when we get done and everything's downloaded. We send them that file. They can look at everything from start to finish, from when we inspected the house to when we tore the roof off, every detail that was done, any wood that was replaced, every missing part that goes from start to finish.
It's a very good process.
Yeah.
We have very good luck.
And we send the homeowner that. They can look at it. They can look at the whole process. There's no surprises, nothing hidden.
It's a very transparent process.
Yeah, it is.